CU entrance exam is conducted all over India to enroll the students with ICAI. It is one of the most popular entrance exams in India, especially for commerce students. CA stands for Chartered Accountant. ICAI, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. It is a statutory body concerned with fields of education, professional development, maintenance of high accounting, auditing and ethical standards. The ICAI now is the second largest accounting body in the worldwide. Step-by-step procedure to become Chartered Accountant. CA course comprises of 4 important levels. 1. Common Proficiency Test, CPT. 2. Integrated Professional Competence Course, IPCC, IPCE. 3. 3 years articleship, training under a practicing CA. 4. CA final exam. The requirements for becoming Chartered Accountant are as follows. 1. CPT exam. A. Register for CPT. Register with the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI, for Common Proficiency Test, CPT, after passing Class 10th examination. B. Appear and pass CPT. Appear for CPT examination after appearing in 10+2 examination. After completion of period of at least 60 days, from the date of registration for CPT with the Board of Studies, as on the first day of the month in which examination is to be held. Students registered on or before 1st April will be eligible to appear in June examinations, or registered on or before 1st October will be eligible to appear on December examination. C. CPT exam fees details. CPT exam fees for Indian Centre 1000 Indian rupees. For exam centres in Abu Dhabi, Doha, Dubai and Muscat at $300. D. CPT exam details. Exam mode is offline. Pencil, paper. Test medium. English or Hindi. First session of CPT. Section A Fundamentals of Accounting of 40 marks. Section B Mercantile Laws of 60 marks. Timings. 2 hours. Second session of CPT. Section C, General Economics of 50 marks. Section D, Quantitative Aptitude of 50 marks. Timings, 2 hours. Total, 4 sections, 200 marks, of 4 hours. E. Sectional cutoff for CPT. Fundamentals of Accounting, 30% of 60 marks. Mercantile Laws, 30% of 40 marks. General Economies, 30% of 50 marks. Quantitative Aptitude, 30% of 50 marks. Overall cutoff for CPT 50% marks. 2. Integrated Professional Competence Course, IPCC. A. IPCC registration. Candidate should pass both CPT and 10+2 before registering for Integrated Professional Competence Course, IPCC. Registration for IPCC should be done 9 months before the first day of the month in which exam is held. IPCC has total 7 papers. Group 1 and Group 2. Group I is composed of 4 papers, and Group 2 is composed of 3 papers. Passing Group I is necessary for commencing articleship. B. ITT and Orientation. Candidate should successfully complete orientation and ITT before registering for articleship. Candidate should complete 100 hours of Information Technology Training, ITT, and 1 week spanning 35 hours of orientation course. The course should cover topics such as personality development, communication skills, office procedure, business environment, general commercial knowledge, etc. Note, you can complete ITT and orientation at any time before registering for articleship. Appear and pass IPCC Group 1 exam. You can appear and pass Group 1 or both groups of Integrated Professional Competence Examination, IPCE. Appear and pass IPCC Group 2 exam. You can attempt Group 2 in next attempt after Group 1 attempt, or during articleship. Note, you can register for articleship after passing only Group 1 also. 3. Register for articleship. You need to register as article assistant for a period of 3 years with practicing chartered accountant on passing either Group 1 or both the groups of IPCE. 4. A. Register for CA final course. Candidates should register for CA final course on passing both groups of IPCC. B. Appear and pass CA final exam. Appear in CA final examination during last 6 months of 3 years of article training. Pass Group 1 as well as Group 2 of CA final examination. C. Complete articleship. Candidates should complete 3 years period of article training. D. GMCS. Candidates should successfully complete the course on General Management and Communication Skills, 15 days. E. Membership. After completing these courses, candidates should enroll as a member of ICAI and designate as a chartered accountant. Career opportunities for chartered accountants. 1. Independent professional practice. As practitioners of public accounting, CS may start professional practice as a proprietor or join any existing firm as a partner or staff member. ICAI provides compliance and review services. He also acts as a business advisor by providing all kinds of services including the preparation of financial reports, helping the business to secure loans, preparing financial projections, etc. 2. Management consultancy services. CS play a vital role in assisting business and industry to improve the use of their resources, increase their efficiency and achieve their objectives. The range of management advisory services rendered by CS reflect their expertise in diverse areas like financial management, strategic management, planning and financial policy determination, etc. 3. Opt for industry, government organization. ACA may prefer to join an industry or government department and ultimately hold responsible positions. Many chartered accountants hold responsible positions in business or industrial firms as CEOs, CFOs, COOs, managing directors, etc. Thanks for watching EV Learning Tools. Keep watching our channel, share with your friends and subscribe our channel for updated information.